What I'd like you to do is make a right turn in this driveway right here. Yes. And pick a parking spot on the left. And I want to see you get in the lines. Oh, that's a nice job. Okay, I'd like you to reverse, please. Even though this car has a backup camera, you can't use it. Good. He's looking around using his head. That is great. Great job. Good. Okay. What I'd like you to do is go up, and you're going to make a right turn. Good. Nice job. Okay, I need you to make another right turn here, please. Oh, got a little curbage. That is a minus. Stay off the curbs, young man.
Also a little bit of a curb kisser.
Oh, okay. Well, we want to watch those kisses. We don't want kisses like that. Okay, what I want you to do after you stop, I would like you to make a right turn, please, and thank you. Good. And I want you to make a left turn at the light. Good. I want you to pick a spot here on the right. This is angle parking. Squeeze that brake. Thank you. Good. Let me check. I do look. Thank you. Okay, you're in.